Our role here is to have a very safe and comfortable environment for the students of PSJIs.
I've been working here for 37 years. You know, when you do some work, they tell you that they like it. I think that's satisfying.
We've done a lot of projects and we do a lot of them with in-house work. I just want to thank each and every one of them for all their hard work. These guys do amazing work, and I do really want to thank them because we wouldn't be able to do all these projects that we've done in the last couple of years without their skill and labor.